Hi guys, we're gonna show you our big harvester. You ready?
Ready.
Come here, guys.
Ano sa dali sa
This
first?
is my big brother.
Big brother. So, mo niya ang harvester.
This is the spike for the to
Yeah.
remove the red beans.
Sa kani nga table is for soya.
There's another table for the corn.
Corn. Okay.
Yeah.
So, kani siya nga klase is for the soybeans.
This is the big thing.
Yeah.
This is the 640 FT.
Okay. So, mao niya ang kuan diri.
This is the background.
The background. Imo ming itour sa front? Sa sulod sa harvester nimo?
Yeah. Let's go inside the cabin.
Okay. So, mag-vlogger pag ka, higdako nimo.
Look, this is the
The-
like to get out the corner the soybean in the
Oh.
trailer.
Kuha na siya pusti.
It's like, imagine they have water. You take a shower here.
Take a shower.
Now, this is the last time to go inside.
Okay.
It's so shaky. It smells so good. I like the smell.
Sige, saan man mo pag-explain?
So, this is the chair for the kids. And this is the chair for the adult that's driving. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Yeah. Okay.
And here you can see the soybeans.
Yeah.
But right now they don't have.
They don't have right now. Lingkod ko no, be? Dito, sa driver. Maybe one day you will drive? Yeah? Maybe one day you will drive the harvester?
Oh no, that's never gonna happen.
Never gonna
Don't touch
happen.
anything.
No, it's off man. So, money siya ang joystick, ang monitor,
And this is like the
radio.
yeah. This is the thing like to break the windows.
Yeah.
That's a fridge.
So, we have a fridge
Water.
here. Water. We have a fridge inside. So, pwede ka magdala og ice cream. Nya, dili na mamihal.
Yeah, but my god, it's so cold now. This is the my god, it's so small.
Yeah. It's fit on you. Wow. So, maoni diri ang poste. Poste good.
This is the wheels.
Mm-hmm.
It's a chain for to let you know to not fall.
Okay. In case of
fire thing.
in case of fire, there's a fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
Okay? Sige, dali.
Show you the
Tupong daw mo sa ligid kung fit ba ka sa ligid.
oh no, there's a spider.
Okay. So, let's go sa luyo.
This is like the engine. This is the lights, the signal.
The signal.
And this is like the red beans that got like go down like that.
Mga sagbot mo gawas diri sa lubot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is just a handle.
Mhm.
Like if you were Superman.
Superman.
Just go like that.
Kada po sa harvester. Mag-unpin sila sa table kay goyoron na ni siya sa layo. Yan si Alexa pag inani bitaw ganahan gyud ni siya magkuyog-kuyog sa iyang papa. Ganahan siya harvester. Awang naong ni Manang. Alexa!